Welcome back. We're doing part 2 here of the M45 Jackson Racing Supercharger rebuild. Today we're going to press out the end cap bearings for the rotors. I've measured the depth of this to make sure that when we put the new ones back in, that they go in correctly. So, pretty simple. Using a 9/16 socket. Gonna line it up, and basically you're just gonna push it. It's gonna fall through on the inside. Yep, there it goes. There's the first one. I have a feeling that these were fairly worn, just with the amount of galling on the inside here that has happened. But hoping to spruce up the inside of that before we put it all back together. Quickly do the other side. So he's got to make sure things are lined up correctly. There, it popped. There we go. Done. Can't remember if you guys remember, but inside here was pretty scratched up. The bearings on the back here, I think, were dead, causing the rotors to kind of scrape along the inside. I've like lightly sanded them with 1000 grit, and then I polished it as well. I'd say it's like 50% better now. I'm definitely happy with that. So now I'll put the new bearings in the back, and we'll continue along. So here's the new bearings compared to the old bearings. All right. Now we'll press in the new ones into the backs. So same way, we took them out. Just press them in from the top side. These might be a little bit more finicky. You have to make sure that they go in flush. Alright, so I'm using a different size socket that kind of grabs the edge more. That way I think it'll help it stay straight while going in. Alright, that's as far as I can go with that socket. That's as far as I want to go. Now I can measure. And it's pretty flush. I think Still got to go deeper. Yeah, still got to go in a ways. Better safe than sorry, right? There, that's better. Check a couple sides. Yeah, that's better. All right, one in. Now for the other. So I was able to clean it up as best I can. The rotors themselves just took the slightest file to them, just enough to knock off some of the bigger scrapes. Can't knock off too much because it's like a perfect fit in there, right? So like I said, hardly anything came off. Looks good. While I was getting ready to sandblast this pipe here, I had to take this off the side, and yeah, kind of went at her and snapped a bolt off inside of it. So now I get to fight to get that out of there. But either way, this is looking better. I haven't decided if I'm going to paint them or powder coat them or what, but time will tell. Kind of popped it together quickly without any sealer gaskets or anything. Just wanted to see what it sounds like. Sounds way smoother than what it did before the rebuild. Liking that. No play. Nothing. We're getting excited now.